Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, Bonsai. In this video we'll be repotting this English elm, which I got from Doncaster boat sale. It's just in a crate, so we're going to put it into a training pot for now and let it grow. But first we need to make some soil, so stay tuned and we'll get into it. And this is our Kayden. He wanted to help out today, so I'll use him to mix the soil. So let's get into it. So for the soil, all we use is rose tree and shrub, which I usually use lemons, but didn't have any, so we'll use this, and some pot and grit. It's about 60-40, and why I say it about is because I don't measure it. I just tip it in and mix it. Don't let your hands dirty, son. So we'll just start off with that, then we'll see what we get once it's all mixed. Come on. Is that new corn?
No,
Cut up. Come on, mix it up, boy. Should always wear safety glasses. I'm a rocket man. I'm like Elton John. Yeah, you want to put them on? Oh, you look gorgeous. Have a look and show the paper. Oh, you look lovely. That puts more grit in. Wow.
I think we're pushing this more than we're doing.
That looks alright.
It does.
So we're getting some soil mixed, and the way I test it is I scrunch it into a ball and when it just falls apart, you know it's about right. So that should do us for the soil. Right, need to get that tray out of there. You've got that out. So we'll get the tray out of the pot. Aye. Bread basket. Rake around, gentle. Like that. He wanted to do the video, so I might as well use him. So we'll just rake around, get the soil off, see what we've got. It's alive. Just checking the routes as we go. Aren't you, Kayden? This is all new. It's not part of the route on there because that's green.
What is it?
Grass, I think. Well, that's all the old soil cleaned off. I might not cut any routes off this because there's not much on it to start with. But when we do repot it, I want to change the angle when we put it in the pot. So I'll wash the routes off, then we'll come back. So we've cleaned off all the soil on the route, on this English elm, and this is the training pot we'll be using. Someone made it, I don't know who made it. I just got the pot off Rob. So we'll just use this pot. So okay, it. Put some soil in there, look. Come on, lad. Nice big scoop in the middle. That's the middle. I'll leave here with a donkey. Alright, so we're gonna change the angle, don't we? About that. That takes some out soon. Should be okay. Alright. Put that. No, not yet, son. We're gonna tie it in the pot. Just trying to fade the white ready. Twist and pull, Kayden. Twist and pull.
I'm just going to do that till you've had some left.
Dana, tie the tray in. And we'll put. I'll stick this one over here. I might just cut them other two off. Right, mate. Got an awfully high rope there. Round the back here, I've got this awful high road, so I'm just going to take it off. I didn't really want to take anything off, but
You're gonna have to.
it's gone. Instead of having it up there coming down into the soil. Yeah, I didn't have that.
What is that?
Right, mate, start sticking your soil in. No. Right, just start filling it in. Go on, just tip it in. Right, now then big roach thrown. Bit in that. Right, I'll do it for now. So you need to get the air out. So just push it in like that with your fingers. All the way around the tray. This is the most important bit. Gets the air out and tightens the tray up in the pot.
There's air in it.
Well, the roach would just hit the air and die off. So you need to get all the air out. Daddy's little helper. So I bought this English elm off Dan down at the Doncaster boat sale. I've got it cheaper than what he wanted for it, like. Put it down to mate rate. So quite happy with it. Make a nice little tree over the next few years. I'm even thinking about taking the top off, which me and Rob discussed, and creating this as the new leader, which I'll bring you in and show you. Because English elms apparently don't like too much carving on them. They suffer, or they just rot. So I want to try and do as little carving as possible on the top. You winning, like, Sean? Are you winning?
Yeah.
Says, are you winning?
Yeah.
Are you winning? Uh-huh. I'm a good old crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. You look. That little black thing on the shelf. Little scope I made on the 3D printer.
You can make that octopus stand.
Good off.
And you probably want some.
You don't say.
I don't say.
So this is how Kayden, he's like me, doesn't talk a lot. Unless he's on his Oculus. Shouting. Aye? Mm-hmm. 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 Say we need to play them out. The feature. Starting to pop look green. Well, that's all the soil in, it's all done. What we'll do is I'll get cleaned up a little bit, then I'll bring you in to show you what I mean about the top. So I have the front somewhere about here on this tree. It's got a nasty straight chop on the top. So what we were thinking is taking it off by there, so it's a little one, and making this is the new leader. So all that'll be off there. Having a smaller tree and a little bit carving in there, which we don't need to make a decision yet. We'll just let it grow for this year since it's had its repot. Don't want to do too much too soon because we'll end up killing it. So that's just a little short video on repotting this English elm. It just needed to get done to come out the bread basket so we can start training in a pot. I'm quite happy with it. We'll get a better pot later on. It's only a training pot. Well, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Or not for me, give him a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe and we'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.
Bye.